Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you increasing and decreasing functions. Let us start the topic. So first of all, I shall give you definition of increasing and decreasing functions. A function if defined on the open interval a b is said to be increasing on a b if x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 less than f of x2 where x1 x2 belongs to open interval ab. The function is decreasing on a b if x1 less than x2 implies f of x1 greater than f of x2 where x1 x2 belongs to ab. This is the definition of a increasing and decreasing function. Now increasing decreasing on an interval. Let f be a function defined on open interval a b, and if f dash of x greater than 0 for all x belongs to a b, then we say the function is increasing on the open interval a b. If f dash of x less than 0 for all x belongs to a b, then f is decreasing on a b. Now increasing decreasing at a point. If f dash of x0 greater than 0, then f is increasing at x0. If f dash of x less than 0, then f is decreasing at a x0. Now let us proceed to solve a problem. Find the intervals where the function y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 4 is increasing and a decreasing. So here in this question we have to find the interval where the given function will increasing and decreasing. So let us proceed for the solution. Now solution. Here y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 4 implies f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 3. Now f dash of x greater than 0 implies 3x square minus 3 greater than 0. This implies x square minus 1 greater than 0 implies x square greater than 1. Now x square greater than 1 when x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. That is when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Hence fx is increasing when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. So now the function f dash of x greater than 0 implies 3x square minus 3 greater than 0. After simplification we get x square greater than 1 and x square greater than 1 when x less than minus 1 or x greater than 1. So that we can write in this way. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Hence the function f of x is increasing when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Again, f dash of x less than 0 implies 3x square minus 3 less than 0 implies x square minus 1 less than 0 implies x square less than 1. That is when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Hence, f of x is decreasing when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So the question is, find the intervals where the function y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 4 is increasing and decreasing. The function is increasing if f dash of x greater than 0. After simplification, we get the interval minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity, and it is decreasing when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So our first problem is solved. Let us proceed to solve the next problem. Our next question is, find the intervals where the function y is equal to ln x belongs to r plus is increasing and a decreasing. Now solution. Given y is equal to fx is equal to ln x belongs to r plus. That means y is equal to ln x belongs to positive real numbers. Implies f dash of x is equal to 1 by x. Now f dash of x greater than 0 implies 1 by x greater than 0 for all x belongs to r plus. So the given function y is equal to ln x is increasing on r plus. Again, the function y is equal to ln x is decreasing nowhere, because here x belongs to r plus and the function f dash of x will be always positive and it cannot be negative. Therefore, the given function is decreasing nowhere. So our second question is now solved. Let us proceed for the next question. Our third question is, find the intervals where the function y is equal to 3 minus 2x on r is increasing and decreasing. Given y is equal to fx is equal to 3 minus 2x on r. This implies f dash of x is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0 for all x belongs to r. So the given function is Again, the given function is increasing nowhere. Here it is given fx is equal to 3 minus 2x on R, f dash of x is equal to minus 2 less than 0 for all x belongs to R. The given function is decreasing on R because it is less than 0. And the function is increasing nowhere because for all x belongs to R, f dash of x less than 0. So our third question is solved. The topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.